even from distant rainfall. A flood advisory for the following county. The National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, has issued a flash flood warning for Los Angeles County in southwestern California until 3 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time Monday. At 6:29 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. A dangerous flooding situation continues to develop. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Heavy rain producing flash flooding. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Thousand Oaks, Malibu, Lake Los Angeles, Acton, Redwood, Burbank, Palmdale, Mount Wilson, Pasadena, North Hollywood, Griffith Park, Santa Clarita, Universal City, Van Nuys, Lancaster, Hollywood, Alhambra, Northridge, downtown Los Angeles, and Beverly Hills. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flood advisory for the following county: Los Angeles, California.